A Java package is a mechanism for organizing Java classes into namespaces similar to the modules of Modular. Java packages can be stored in compressed files called jar files, allowing classes to be downloaded faster as groups rather than individually. Programmers also typically use packages to organize classes belonging to the same category or providing similar functionality. A package provides a unique namespace for the types it contains. Classes in the same package can access each other's package access members. Overview: in general, a package can contain the following kinds of types. A package allows a developer to group classes together. These classes will all be related in some way. They might all have to do with a specific application or perform a specific set of tasks. The Java API is a collection of packages. For example, the JavaX XML package. The JavaX XML package and its sub-packages contain classes to handle XML. Using packages, in a Java source file, the package that this file's class or classes belong to is specified with the package keyword. This keyword is usually the first keyword in the source file. To use a package's classes inside a Java source file, it is convenient to import the classes from the package with an import declaration. The following declaration imports all classes from the Java not event package, while the next declaration imports only the action event class from the package. After either of these import declarations, the action event class can be referenced using its simple class name. Classes can also be used directly without an import declaration by using the fully qualified name of the class. For example, does not require a preceding import declaration. Note that if you do not use a package declaration, your class ends up in an unnamed package. Classes in an unnamed package cannot be imported by classes in any other package. Package access protection. Classes within a package can access classes and members declared with default access and class members declared with the protected access modifier. Default access is enforced when neither the public, protected nor private access modifier is specified in the declaration. By contrast, classes in other packages cannot access classes and members declared with default access. Class members declared as protected can be accessed from the classes in the same package as well as classes in other packages that are subclasses of the declaring class. Creation of jar files. Jar files are created with the jar command line utility. The command jar cf myPackage jar class compresses all class files into the jar file myPackage jar. The C option on the command line tells the jar command to create new archive. The F option tells it to create a file. The file's name comes next before the contents of the jar file. Package naming conventions. Packages are usually defined using a hierarchical naming pattern, with levels in the hierarchy separated by periods. Although packages lower in the naming hierarchy are often referred to as sub-packages of the corresponding packages higher in the hierarchy, there is almost no semantic relationship between packages. The Java language specification establishes package naming conventions to avoid the possibility of two published packages having the same name. The naming conventions describe how to create unique package names, so that packages that are widely distributed will have unique namespaces. This allows packages to be separately, easily and automatically installed and cataloged. In general, a package name begins with the top-level domain name of the organization and then the organization's domain and then any subdomains, listed in reverse order. The organization can then choose a specific name for its package. Subsequent components of the package name vary according to an organization's own internal naming conventions. For example, if an organization in Canada called MySoft creates a package to deal with fractions, naming the package car MySoft Fractions distinguishes the fractions package from another similar package created by another company. If a German company named MySoft also creates a fractions package, but names it to MySoft Fractions, then the classes in these two packages are defined in a unique and separate namespace. Complete conventions for disambiguating package names and rules for naming packages when the Internet domain name cannot be directly used as a package name are described in Section 7.7 of the Java language specification. Core packages in Java SE6. The Java Lang package is available without the use of an import statement. References. External links: Java SE7 API JavaDocs, Java Language Specification, 3rd edition, Chapter 7, Packages, Code Conventions for the Java Programming Language, Chapter 9, Naming Conventions, Sun's Java Tutorials Lesson, Packages.